Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a ruby red metallic 2015 Ford Escape SE, stock number A7389. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is a sharp black painted alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch Continental Conti Pro contact tire. Inside, you have a black leather upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Escape. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual-point exhaust here. You've got a trailer hitch and backup sensors. There is a backup camera. Inside of the trunk, as you can see, it's very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons here on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. And as we take a step inside, to the left of the steering wheel here, you've got your cruise control buttons. Over on the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming to the center, you do have a sync system powered by Microsoft. You can see you've got this great touch screen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities here for Sirius satellite radio, and then you've also got your climate controls conveniently located here. Underneath of that, you have additional audio controls. You do have dual climate controls here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 28 miles per gallon. And then down underneath of that, you do have dials here for heated front row seating. If you'd like to get more information on this Ford or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.